the ultimate Rolls-Royce boat to interior design tour. Welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the best of the best when it comes to luxury cars. Today we're taking an exclusive look at the stunning and opulent Rolls-Royce boat to interior design. First impressions are everything, and the Rolls-Royce boat tail. Experience the ultimate in luxury with the Rolls-Royce boat tail interior design. Rolls-Royce designers voted best in class by leading industry professionals, has created a bespoke experience for those looking to make an impression wherever they go. With precision craftsmanship, attention to detail, and premium quality materials, you can be sure that your vehicle's appearance is both timeless and cutting edge. Whether it's streetwear meets chic or just sophisticated simplicity, they have the knowledge and expertise to deliver smart designs without compromising on comfort, safety, or prestige. From the crystal-clear sound system to the intuitive infotainment system, this car is designed to provide the ultimate luxurious experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this exclusive tour of the Rolls-Royce